One of my favorite underrated iPhone features is the Measuring app and how you can use it to measure anything around you. This is a native iOS app, so you should have it pre-installed on your phone. And if you don't, you can always download it from the App Store for free. It's simply called Measure, so go look it up on your phone. When you open the Measure app, the iPhone camera scans the environment and identifies surfaces like floors, walls, and objects. As you move the phone, it tracks its position in 3D space using motion sensors, accelerometer, and gyroscope. The phone then builds a virtual map of the scene and lets you place measurement points on that map. When you tap 2 points, the app calculates the distance between them. On newer iPhones, the app also uses the LiDAR scanner, which sends out thousands of tiny infrared light pulses and measures how long they take to bounce back from surfaces. This creates a depth map of the environment, allowing the phone to measure objects and distances much more precisely than using the camera alone. Just as an example, I'm measuring my old iPhone here that has a 6.1-inch display. I'm getting 6 inches with the app, so it's pretty close. This Magic Trackpad has a diagonal width of 7.7 inches, and my app measures it at 7.5, so pretty darn close again. The best thing about this app is that it's not limited to small objects. You can walk around and measure larger distances as well. I've measured stuff up to 160 feet out in my yard, and just like my tests on the desk here, those measurements outside were very accurate. So that's how you measure stuff. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.